Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes. 650, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, beautiful cruiser in a matte black finish. This has adjustable seat position and handlebars. Comes with a quick release rear tailcase that you can carry your stuff in. It's expandable. Only 872 miles on this amazing Vulcan S cruiser. Low seat height, plenty of power for commuting. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.